All right, let's talk about the SPY. We see we've been grinding up, grinding up. Volume's been like from last year, so whatever. Bullish MACD, small body candle, pop above here. This looks like it could just be a flag setting up for more upside. Okay, um, that's what it looks like to me right here, right now. Break above this high, and it looks like it could definitely retest. So don't go looking to go short, even though we are in the trading box. That means it could be ping pong, ping pong, ping pong for a while. But you see, we're getting to the top of it. So again, we break these highs of basically 190, and it's back to the races to the upside. I wouldn't be, going really short and being, don't be too overcommitted on being bullish or bearish. Just work with it, because at the end of the day, if you don't, this will grind you to bits. Let's look at the QQQ. QQQ did look bearish today, but again, Apple had beat earnings. They're up about 566 right now. That's almost an 8% jump. So we'll see what we could do. Right now, the futures are up. So the NASDAQ futures are up about 37 handles, if you want to call it that. So we'll see how that works out tomorrow morning. But with that being said, we just have to see where it's gonna, what it's gonna do here, because again, it's still under the 10, and you still have bearish MACD on the weekly. On the daily, you do have, and the daily will show first. So be careful shorting with bearish MACD. We got the IWM, the Russell. The Russell is coming out. We're over the 10. Let's see if we could break above these highs to get back to at least this 50 moving average. This support level did hold. So let's see if we can continue with what we got on. But remember, we got to chew through a lot of stuff. We got to chew through all this price action. So again, we have to be careful. It is going to be Thursday. Volume is lightening up a little bit, but we don't know how it's going to close tomorrow, or excuse me, close on Friday. And the bearish MACD, but again, it's bullish MACD on this side. So again, does this mirror the SPY of what we had with this little flag to continue to the upside? Only time will tell. So who else do we have to look at? Let's look at the diamond, and the diamond's at the top of the box. Weekly, you can see we just extend this over, not that, but this, and it's at the top of the box. So still, kind of flattish, curling it up, but I don't really care about the diamond. Keep it as real as possible. It only entails the boring stocks. No, not boring stocks, but it's only entails 30. I want to see what that S&P 500 does. So let's get into some names. Ooh, Google. Okay, Google. We'll see how this looks tomorrow. It did look a little bit weak going into today, but it's still holding. The support level that I see is 535. If it breaks below that, then we definitely have some trouble going on. And we got to really see how this is going to pan out regarding this volume. The selling volume did dry up. So is it going to pop up above? Currently, it will pop a little bit because of the NASDAQ futures. So we just have to keep that in mind. And again, this is another level that we really have to see. But the 535 is a very, very significant level. And if it breaks that, you will see it go down some more. Apple is going to be opening, if it opens remotely close to where it is now, 566 is like here. That's a hell of a jump to the upside. So again, if we look back at some charts previously, we have to be careful. Let me see if I can get that information. I don't know if I can get all the way back, but there was basically a gap up one time during earnings, and they faded all the way back down. Oops, this is the daily. But you have to be really, really careful with that because they will do that, and it has been done. Let me see if I can find it for you guys quickly. Let me see. I know where it is. No. I think it was around. Shit, I can't find it. Either way, you can look and you see earnings can gap down. of course, people are going to start their foaming at the mouth that they're saying, okay, I knew it. Yeah, okay, buddy, you knew it, right? So, again, people I know try to pick the tops and bottoms are typically liars. So I'm not going to lie to you guys and say that I know how to do that. Earnings, it basically we do this technical analysis to help our probabilities. That doesn't help our probabilities at all. But let me go through some more names. Twitter, hopefully this looks like another flag. Break above yesterday's high looks good. GD actually looks really good. Let's see if we can get some follow through. Has some nice volume as well. EOG looks good. Could get some follow through tomorrow. LinkedIn, again, if we could break above here, you got bullish MACD. Selling volume hasn't increased, so let's see if we can get above that 180 area. Priceline, again, these things could be popping up to get a little bit, a little bit higher above these previous levels as well. So that could be good as well. Wynn did not look good today. Ralph Lauren did not look good today. Starbucks has earnings, but again, it didn't look good today. But we got to see what earnings is. And Facebook didn't look that well. But again, the tide that lifts all ships is the indexes. So we have to see how this plays out on a lot of those tech names. So hopefully that gives you some trading ideas. And I think I had Honeywell as well that might look good as well. Increasing volume right here. So we have to see what's going on. But again, trade them well. Take care.